Welcome to our roundup of the best washer-dryer combos, the ultimate solution for anyone who wants powerful laundry performance without sacrificing space or convenience. Whether you live in an apartment, a dorm, or a compact home, or you simply want a smarter, more efficient way to handle your laundry, a washer-dryer combo can completely change the way you wash clothes. In this video, we have carefully selected some of the most reliable and feature-packed options that balance performance, capacity, efficiency, and ease of use. We will walk you through what makes each model special, how they perform in real-life situations, and which type of user each one is best for. So make sure to watch till the end, because the last pick might surprise you. And as always, all product links are waiting for you in the description box below. Let's jump right in. The first on the list is the comfy 24-inch combo. This compact machine is designed for small spaces, but do not let its size fool you, because it packs a lot of smart features into a very practical design. Right from the start, three things stand out: space-saving design, multiple wash programs, and quiet operation. This unit is ideal for apartments, RVs, or small homes where every inch matters. It fits neatly under a counter or in a tight laundry corner, yet still offers enough capacity to handle daily laundry needs for one or two people. In real-world use, the Comfy feels simple and stress-free. You can choose from a wide range of wash and dry programs depending on what you are washing, whether it is cotton, synthetics, delicates, or quick loads. The machine automatically handles the transition from washing to drying, so you can load your clothes, press start, and come back later to clean and dry laundry. The washing performance is surprisingly strong for a compact unit, removing everyday dirt and odors without being harsh on fabrics. Drying is best for light to medium loads, and while it may take a bit longer than a full-size machine, the results are consistent and reliable. Another big advantage is how quiet and stable it is. Even during spin cycles, vibrations are well controlled, making it suitable for apartments where noise can be an issue. The control panel is simple and easy to understand, so you do not need to spend time learning complicated settings. Overall, this machine is a great choice for people who want a dependable, compact, and easy-to-use washer-dryer combo. It may not be built for large families or heavy bedding, but for daily clothes and small households, it delivers exactly what it promises: convenience, efficiency, and peace of mind. Next up is the Medea 24-inch combo. This model takes the compact washer-dryer idea and adds a more modern, premium feel to it. The three features that really stand out here are energy-efficient operation, steam care function, and smart sensor drying. It is designed for people who want better fabric care and more advanced features without moving to a bulky full-size machine. What makes the Medea special is how gentle yet thorough it is with clothes. The steam function helps reduce wrinkles and refresh garments, which means you can spend less time ironing. The smart sensors monitor moisture levels and adjust drying time automatically, so clothes are not overdried or overheated. This not only protects your fabrics, but also helps save energy. In daily use, the washing performance is excellent, especially for mixed loads and everyday clothing. Stains are handled well, and clothes come out feeling fresh and clean. The build quality also feels solid and well thought out. The door, drum, and controls all have a premium feel, and the digital display makes it easy to see exactly what stage the cycle is in. Noise levels are well controlled, making it suitable for small homes or apartments. Drying performance is efficient for normal loads, although like most compact combos, it is best to avoid overloading if you want the best results. Overall, the Medea 24-inch combo is a great choice for users who care about fabric protection, energy efficiency, and modern features. It offers a more refined laundry experience and is perfect for people who want their clothes to last longer while still enjoying the convenience of an all-in-one machine. Next, we have the LG all-in-one combo. LG is well known for reliable home appliances, and this model proves why. The three big highlights here are large capacity drum, powerful cleaning performance, and smart connectivity features. Compared to the compact models, this one feels much more like a full-size laundry solution, but still with the convenience of a combo unit. The first thing you notice is the capacity. This machine can handle bigger loads, including towels, bedding, and larger clothing batches, which makes it suitable for families or busy households. The washing performance is excellent, using advanced motion technology to clean clothes thoroughly while still being gentle. Stains, sweat, and everyday dirt are removed effectively, and clothes come out looking and feeling fresh. Drying is also very reliable, especially for normal cotton loads and mixed fabrics. It may take a bit longer than separate machines, but the results are consistent and even. One of the coolest features is the smart connectivity. You can monitor cycles, get notifications, and even download additional wash programs using your phone. This adds a level of convenience that you really start to appreciate once you get used to it. Build quality is top-notch, and the machine feels solid and durable. It is quieter than you might expect for its size, and vibrations are well controlled. Overall, this LG combo is perfect for people who want a powerful, full-featured washer-dryer combo that can handle bigger loads without compromising on performance or convenience. Next, we move to the Coolmore 2-in-1 combo. This machine is all about blending commercial-style durability with home-friendly convenience. The three standout features here are strong build quality, large usable capacity, and simple, reliable controls. It is designed for people who want something tough, dependable, and straightforward. In everyday use, the Coolmore feels very solid and confidence-inspiring. The washing performance is strong, especially for heavier fabrics like jeans, towels, and work clothes. It does a great job of removing dirt and grime while still being reasonably gentle on everyday clothing. The drying performance is also consistent, and clothes come out warm, dry, and ready to wear or fold. One of the nice things about this machine is how simple it is to operate. You do not get overwhelmed with overly complicated menus or settings. Everything is clear, direct, and easy to use. This makes it a great option for families or for anyone who just wants a machine that works without fuss. Noise and vibration levels are well managed, especially considering its strong and sturdy build. Overall, the Coolmore 2-in-1 combo is a great choice for people who want a reliable, no-nonsense washer-dryer combo that can handle regular, heavy use. It may not have as many smart features as some other models, but what it offers instead is durability, consistency, and dependable performance. The last one on our list is the Rofson Combo Set. This one is a bit different because it comes as a compact washer and dryer combo set, making it a complete laundry solution for small spaces. The three key highlights here are high capacity for its size, fast washing performance, and great value for money. This set is perfect for apartments, dorms, or small households that want flexibility and strong performance without spending a fortune. What really makes the Rofson stand out is how much laundry it can handle compared to other compact solutions. The washer has enough capacity to deal with multiple outfits, towels, or small bedding, and the dryer complements it well for everyday loads. Washing performance is impressive, especially for quick cycles and regular clothing. Clothes come out clean, fresh, and well-rinsed. The dryer is designed to be efficient and straightforward. While it may not be as fast as a full-size standalone dryer, it does a very good job for its category and is perfect for daily use. The controls are simple and easy to understand, which makes this set very beginner-friendly. Setup is also relatively easy, especially for people who are installing a laundry solution in a small space. Overall, the Rofson Combo Set is an excellent choice for anyone who wants a practical, budget-friendly, and space-saving laundry solution. It offers a great balance between capacity, performance, and price, making it especially attractive for small homes and apartments. So that wraps up our list of the best washer-dryer combos. Each of these options offers something unique, whether it is ultra-compact convenience, advanced fabric care, family-size capacity, heavy-duty reliability, or unbeatable value. No matter what your space or lifestyle looks like, there is a washer-dryer combo here that can make your laundry routine easier and more efficient. If this video helped you, make sure to give it a like, subscribe to the channel for more honest and helpful reviews, and check the description below for the best deals on all the products we mentioned. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay smart and keep your laundry simple.